What's up guys, I hope you're doing well today. Let's dig in guys. There is more XRP news and crypto news in general because I always connect the dots and try to bring you the most relevant news to XRP and crypto in general, as we are in the era of a shift guys. We are shifting to the digitalization era, and you have to understand that because we are very early guys, and you can create generational wealth if you invest now. And this is not financial advice, but before we head in guys, don't forget to subscribe. You would do me a huge favor so I can continue creating amazing content for you guys. Thank you very much. So let's dig in. I want to start guys with a very nice picture and just showing you guys the power of XRP, the power of what you're holding, and Ripple as a company in general. Now take a look at this picture guys and tell me what you see. Let me know in the comments what you think of this beautiful picture. Look at all the banks and financial institutions that are connected together, and look what's there. We have Ripple. Now guys, do you see any other cryptocurrency company connected here? I don't see it. Maybe there is one, but I don't see it guys. And Ripple is the main one, because Ripple guys will be the future for this. What you see now is the connection. XRP will be the connection for all these platforms as a bridge currency. As you can see, since our debut issue in September 28, we have been honored to future contributions from more than 50 central banks and global organizations from 6 continents on such topics as CBDC. Now guys, they are planning this for a very long time, and you have to understand that guys, because now it's almost happening. We are almost too late to act. If you didn't act already, you are too late, because now is starting to be the shift, and Ripple is making a lot of noise guys. They signed up over 15 financial institutions and doubled their investments in just the last couple of months with the SEC ongoing. So you have to understand the power of Ripple guys. Now let's take a look. This is a very nice video about crypto in general. Let's take a look what they say.
Many people to understand this space is what we're seeing in terms of digital assets or cryptocurrencies trading. What do you make of what we're seeing in the market today, whether it's Ether or Ethereum, depending on your choice of word, Bitcoin, Dogecoin? Joe, what's going on?
What's going on is a crossing of the chasm. Blockchain technology is a disruptive technology. Cryptocurrencies are disruptive. Decentralized finance is disruptive. Non-fungible tokens is a profoundly disruptive technology. They are essentially holding hands and crossing the chasm into popular culture. Dogecoin is a beautiful example of a meme that has been embraced by some of the biggest megaphones, the biggest pop culture advocates in our space, Mark Cuban, Elon Musk, and Dogecoin, Bitcoin are powerful memes that have significant functionality, even though Dogecoin is sort of a play token. Ethereum is also a powerful...
What's the functionality in Dogecoin?
It's actually not very different from the functionality of Bitcoin. It's just that Bitcoin has been much more accepted as a money, and Dogecoin started as essentially a playful meme.
Now, as you can see guys, can you see how early we are in cryptocurrency? These people don't have any idea of what Dogecoin is or what anything is guys. They just think of it as something that's been going on. As you can see, we are so early in the cryptocurrency industry that it's almost crazy guys. And you can see they showed Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP. Now XRP I think is the major one because of the payments that we can do with them guys, and we already understand that. Now let's take a look at this. 21 shares launching Stellar and Cardano ETPs on 6 exchange. The XLM and ADA vehicles will go live on Monday. Now as you can see guys, more and more cryptocurrencies are hitting the stock markets now, and when they hit the stock markets, there's gonna be bigger investors. which will lead to an increase in price, guys. We have to understand that. Yes, we dropped a little bit. Yes, we are kind of going down, but it's just a correction, guys, because the future of cryptocurrency is gonna be huge, and you do not want to miss out, guys, especially not on XRP, the bridge currency. The bridge currency of all the CBDCs, the major payment system that will change the financial system, guys. You have to understand XRP. Now let's take a look. Biden eyeing capital gains tax as high as 43% for wealthy. Now just imagine this, guys. Imagine you make $1 or $2 million because of crypto, and you finally make some life-changing money, and you have to give 40% of that away. Now this is a very huge downside to what the plan is in US. It's a mess, guys. We need regulatory clarity. We need some stuff to be worked out. 43% is just crazy, guys. That's a crazy amount. I think this will create a lot of problems in the US because of this. The wealthy will not be happy with that, because even if you have a lot of money, you will never be satisfied to pay 40% on taxes. It's just not fair. So this is something huge for the cryptocurrency industry, because when you're finally wealthy, you do not want to give 40% back to some stupid government who is actually not giving you anything. And this is actually the problem now with taxes and cryptocurrency. There is no regulation. This is the problem. So let's take a look here. US House passes bill to form digital asset working group. Operating frameworks and at least some guidelines on just what cryptocurrencies are and how they should be used may be in the offing sooner than later. On Tuesday, the US House of Representatives passed several pieces of legalization focused on financial services, which one key bill aiming for clarity and transparency in the crypto space through a working group staffed by individuals from 2 regulatory commissions. Now, guys, we are heading to the point that we have regulatory clarity. When we have that regulation, you know what's gonna happen. XRP is gonna fly very high, guys. The SEC actually brought light to the cryptocurrency industry, because now we have SafeMoon, we have Elongate, we have all these stupid coins that actually mess up the industry and actually gives them a reason to regulate everything, because they do not want people to be investing in stuff that has no functionality and nothing to offer. And that's why regulatory clarity is gonna push XRP so much higher than you can imagine, guys. The US Securities and Exchange Commission named Alex O as director of the Division of Enforcement. Guys, we are reaching the end of the SEC lawsuit. It's almost there. SEC Chairman Gary Gensler claims that her experience will help to make sure that the SEC protects investors. Alex brings to the role of director the right combination of values and experience to vigorously root out wrongdoing in our markets. Now we will see what will happen, guys. They have a lot of new people there. They are ready to regulate everything and make this case be dismissed, actually, and give us some closure, which we deserve, by the way. Top 5 ways Energy Web is accelerating the clean energy transition. Now, I just want to bring your attention to this, guys, because as we see, everyone is talking about the energy usage of Bitcoin, which is a very bad thing. And I showed in previous videos that the government wants to move to a green economy. Now, guys, Bitcoin may not survive because of this unless there will be a solution for it. But it is very risky. And as we know, XRP is carbon free and very green, very green for the environment, as it has a consensus. It doesn't use proof of work or proof of stake. It has something else, which is way more efficient. And that's why Brett Garlinghouse knows that this is the future, guys, of the payments. That's what we have to understand. Here's everything you need to know about XRP's chances of hitting $3. Now let's take a look, guys. XRP's price hit a high of 1.91 on 14th April, and the altcoin is now rallying towards $3. During the 2017 bull run, the price hit through 3.14. At the current pace, the price is rallying versus the dropping trade volume and resisting the selling pressure. Now, what's funny, guys, is that the XRP is being compared to Dogecoin because the chart is looking very much the same before Dogecoin broke out. Now let's take a look. The perfect inverse correlation that has emerged suggested that funds are flowing out of Doge and XRP. This signals that XRP will pump the hardest in the near term and may be the biggest beneficiary of unit bias. There is a focused narrative for retail traders buying XRP at the current price level. Now this is interesting, guys. We will see what will happen because the chart of XRP looks very appealing right now. Very, very good. As PancakeSwap soars, so does Binance Smart Chain's lead over Ethereum or on transactions. Now guys, PancakeSwap is very huge. So comment below if you want me to do a video on PancakeSwap, how to use it, how to use liquidity, how to join pools, how to farm. If you want to know these things, guys, comment in the comments below and I will make a video special for you guys. So PancakeSwap is really huge. I really enjoy using it. You can buy a lot of coins, you can swap, you can join farms, and I think PancakeSwap, guys, is a huge thing and it's gonna go much higher than it is now. And as you can see, while the Ethereum blockchain possessed a record 1.56 million transactions on Wednesday, BSC registered a total transaction volume of 9.13 million. Can you see the difference, guys? Binance Smart Chain is huge and PancakeSwap is really taking over, guys. Really check it out. It's crazy. Earth Day 2021, how the crypto industry is moving closer to going green. Now this is exactly what I'm talking about, guys. Guys, you know that 40% is using proof of stake and not proof of work anymore. Proof of work is old and it's not good for the environment, and governments are starting to see that, and Bitcoin is starting to have a problem with that. So this is something that if you're invested in Bitcoin, just keep this in the back of your mind, guys. It can be dangerous in these times that are to come. So Ethereum is gonna switch from proof of work to POS. So there is not a problem in Ethereum anymore. But Bitcoin will still remain on proof of work, which is a big disadvantage for Bitcoin. Now, last thing, guys, and not least, because we have Brett Garlinghouse telling us the future. 3 predictions on the future of cryptocurrency. Ripple CEO Brett Garlinghouse says now is a crucial moment for the US to establish itself as a leader in the booming crypto business. Now he is so right, guys. If the US does this right, they will be leading because Ripple is based in the US, guys. How lucky they are. How lucky they are to have a company such as Ripple in the USA operating from there, because I think it will be one of the biggest companies in the world. Cross-border payments and global partnerships will be crucial. And this is true, guys. Come on. Global payments are a big thing, and they are so old-fashioned. And Ripple has come up with an idea for Internet of Value. You can send money as like you're sending an email, guys. They literally brought the internet for money, and it's crazy. And I think it's just people don't see that, you know. Central banks should get involved in crypto. Now this is what's happening. Central banks are starting to get interested and they want a CBDC. And this is where XRP comes in, guys. XRP will bridge all these currencies and the price will go so high, 3 or 4 digits at least, guys. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Cheers.